Today, I'm gonna make a bunch of ugly flipbooks. They're probably gonna be really short. They're gonna be ugly. Let's just start the time lapse and see what we get. Ugly and stupid, that's what I'm going for. So I'll show you, I did a whole bunch of doodles to try and sketch some ideas for flipbooks. These are all ones that I never did anything with, but that one, I think maybe I should do something with that guy. That guy I like too. This guy wasn't so much ugly as just really, I don't know. So, yeah, lots of potential for a bunch more ugly flipbooks. I might do a part 2 later. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video. These were all a bunch of ugly flipbooks. But if you're interested in creating something that's the complete opposite of ugly, you know, beautiful, do it with Squarespace. From websites and online stores to marketing tools and